What's the meaning of aspidistra? Aspidistra. Aspidistra.
Aspidistra. Aspidistra. Aspidistra is a genus of flowering plants that are native to Eastern and Southeastern Asia. The name aspidistra comes from the Greek words aspidion, meaning shield, and istemi, meaning to stand upright. Aspidistras are commonly known as the cast iron plant due to their ability to withstand neglect, low light, and extreme temperatures. They have broad, dark green leaves that are often used in floral arrangements. The plant is considered a symbol of good luck and longevity in some cultures.